Brand new cargo trailer 2021, fresh built into a camping trailer. Little pullabout with a Honda Civic. It weighs 1,300 pounds, 15-inch wheels, dual windows with a rear galley. I'll do a walk around on the back, show you the outside, and then we'll go through the interior. Large RV emergency exit window on the outside. On the driver's side, LED lights, and the galley. We'll open that right now. There you go. Cupboards, sink, dual taps, side table, storage up on top. A little spice rack area, utensils, USB charger, battery, and solar power. It's got a 40-watt system that charges the battery overnight to full. Now we'll go in the inside. Sleeps two. It's got a queen size bed. It's got a mosquito netting. In the front, it's got a corner area with a net, space for TV. Covers, a bench with a storage underneath. Pull-away table that comes down into a bed, and the two cushions that will be finished that will turn into the queen size bed. It's fully insulated. You get a better view of the front now. Roof vent with a fan. LED lights throughout. I'll turn this other LED lights on so you can see it in the back. There you go. And under the bed there's a huge storage, which is 5.5 by 4, all underneath. It accesses through there. Hope you like it. Bye bye.